In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the eBay app on your Android device and get started with your online shopping adventure. Now, first things first, you'll need to grab your Android device and navigate to your app drawer or home screen where you can find the Google Play Store. You'll recognize it by its colorful triangle icon, so go ahead and tap on that to open it up. Once you're inside the Play Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where we can quickly find the eBay app. Simply tap on the search bar to activate it and type out eBay. As you type, you'll probably notice some suggestions popping up. If you see eBay listed there, you can tap on it. Otherwise, just finish typing and hit the search icon. The search results will bring up the eBay app as one of the top options. You'll recognize it by its signature red and blue logo on a white background and the name eBay clearly written across it. Go ahead and tap on the app's icon, which will take you to its download page. Here, you'll see some information about the app, including user ratings, reviews, and screenshots that give you a preview of its interface. When you're ready to add this app to your library, simply tap on the Install button. This will kickstart the downloading process, so depending on your internet speed, you might need to wait a moment for the app to finish downloading and installing onto your device. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app directly from that page by tapping on Open. Alternatively, you can go back to your home screen or app drawer where you'll find the eBay app ready for you to launch. Tap on the eBay icon to open the app for the first time. As you open the app, you'll be greeted with options to log in if you already have an account. But if you're new to eBay and don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up or create a new account. Go ahead and tap on that if you need to create one. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide some basic information like your name, email, addresses, and password. Remember to pick a strong, secure password to keep your account safe. If you already have an eBay account, simply enter your login credentials, your email and password, and then log in. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up the eBay app on your Android device. You're now ready to browse, buy, and sell to your heart's content. Happy shopping, and see you next time.